Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your FredExcel lessons for today. Today, we are going to look at how to automatically enter decimal points in a spreadsheet. This came about as a result of a question I had from one of my followers who said that fine, he's entering data and there are points, and because of entering the point, it delays the time it takes to really enter the data. So I should assist. And this is the solution I gave him. So what he was talking about is you have a data. So let's assume that you're entering the data. So let's say 345.67 or 65. You have to type, let's say 54 or 457.09. So in entering the point, it really takes some time. And you want a simple way where he's just entering the data and the data will just generate a point for him. That's 2 decimal places. So in doing that, first you have to go to File, go to Options, then you go to Advanced. Where you have the Advanced, where you have to automatically insert a decimal point, we check it. So assuming you want it to 3 decimal points, you can do that. Assuming you want it 2 decimal points, you can do that. Then we click on OK. So moving on, you can see that every data we enter, automatically the points will come. So assuming you're entering 1, 2, 3 up to 5. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I did. You enter automatically, you see that we have the points there. Assuming you are entering 89056 or 58, automatically after entering you have the point there 690. Automatically have it at two decimal places. Because it's 0.90, it's not recognizing the 0. That's why we have it as 0.9. Then assuming you have 879798, so automatically you see that the points are generated automatically as you are entering the data. And this is how smart you can really do this if you convert your data into simple decimal points as you are entering the data. Thank you very much for following us on this channel, FredExcel. Continue to follow us and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.